Hey guys, today I want to continue the previous uh, video. So today I want to talk about the variables. For example, it has a variable with e is equal to 2 and I want to add uh, a number with e. So if I write this e is equal to e plus 2 and the result is here. How to create a double number, for example. So the where, so it will be a double number is equal 3.5 and here how to create a string. So text is equal something some text and it is the same when write this text is equal with the simple. So it is the same. So or write with the double or the single is it is the same. But if you create a new variable with number is equal to no, so text is equal to 10, for example, and the next I will create this the same name this text. But if you write here this text is equal to 10, so if I create a new variable and here is some text here, and if I create a new variable with the same text with the same name, so the uh, so the this variable is the same. But if you want to add with string with number, so if I write this where x is equal for example with 1 and 2, and if I see this is 12. So thank you for watching. See you next time.